So welcome to another video of Quality Reptiles. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm gonna show you my Gila monsters. I have 4 pairs of Gilas, and 3 of them I think are pregnant at the moment. I'm gonna do an ultrasound to confirm that she is carrying eggs. I'll hold her like this on her back. They are better with being on their backs than other animals, and this way I can easily look at her eggs. So yeah, she's full of eggs, and they are really big eggs. I'm always surprised that they are so big in such a small animal. I'm gonna see if I can freeze the image. So yeah, I'll freeze it exactly at the right time. Let's see. I'm gonna measure the egg. And they are almost 5 centimeters. Yeah, this is it. 5.1 centimeters. That's the egg. Measure it through the egg. It's around 3 centimeters, almost 2.7 centimeters. So I want to show you how I see that she's pregnant. Like you can see, the tail base is falling in a little bit. Here on the side, there's less fat, and you can see the hip bones here. So that's very, very obvious. And her belly is more round, and she has less muscles, so she's gonna look a little bit plumpy, a little bit like a pudding without muscles, or less muscles, and more skinny with the tail, but her belly will be a little bit more round. And if you have never seen it, it's a little bit hard to see, but if you have seen it a lot, then you will recognize it immediately. So here you can see a little bit more the belly shape. It's really round. So after the first successful breeding with Gila monsters, normally after 5 weeks, they lay eggs, around 5 with me at least. And then I put them in the incubator. I personally put them on 30 Celsius degrees, and after 4 to 5 months they hatch. So I think she will lay very soon. I will post another video when she has laid eggs. And thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have a good suggestion for next video.